Dear LIS people, I am glad to welcome you all to access this e-content. This package will help you to various competitions, particularly UGC, SLET, NET examinations you can attend. Further, you can develop your subject skills too. This package includes various modules: classification, cataloging, methodology, bibliometrics, technology. All subjects have been included in this package. The electronic versions usually give us a new kind of experiences. You can realize the power of the package when you look around in it. I do prefer to access both print and electronic version, but the opinions often differ. You may choose your own option. For your kind information, you are watching the demo version of self-learning package. Do not forget, practice makes you the best. Wish you all the best.
Welcome user. You are watching the files available in this application: UGC, README, Developer, and some other files are here. Let me click the file UGC. You can find some graphics and animated features in this application. Since I have included those features, you need to move your mouse very carefully, nicely and gently like this. See, either upward or downward you can move the mouse. Let me click the option Start. You can find the password option where I need to enter the password is entered. The options Submit and Exit available here. Click Submit. You can find nearly 10 modules in this application. Each and every module includes nearly 100 and objective types of questions. As I said, the mouse point can be moved like this. The first one is Library and Society, Management, Sources and Services, Classification, Catalog, Methodology, Bibliometrics, Technology, Bibliography, and some other tips are there. See, if you move the curves like this, the graphic option would be disturbed. So you have to move it nicely and gently, then only it can be collapsed. This option helps you to quit the application. The basic information about this application can be accessed through About. Let me click the subject classification. You can find lot of options here. Do not forget, each and every screen contains 4 questions. For each question, there are 4 choices exist. You are permitted to click 4 times only in each and every screen. The right part shows the timer which can be used for your answering purpose. This one count your click time. If 4 times you are clicked, the screen will be automatically skipped to the next screen. The bottom part you can find the date and year. The clear option helps you to clear the screen. This will take you to the home menu. This shows the current page number where you are. If you want to start your practice again, that time you can clear the scores which you have already secured. This helps you to move the next screen. As I said, for each question, you are permitted to click only 1 time. Let me show how to answer the questions. See, when you move the mouse, the balls will be opened like this. See, you have to move gently and nicely. I select the option A. Now see, the screen doesn't show anything. That means your answer is wrong. You have clicked one time. Marks are nothing. Click clear to retrieve the screen again. Now I go to the second question where I select the choice D. See, if your answer is correct, the right choice will be displayed. You have clicked it 2 times, you have scored 1 marks. Clear and get back the screen again. For the question 3, I click the option B. See, nothing is displayed. Your choice reached 3 clicks. Still you have 1 marks. Clear. I move to the fourth question where I select the option D. Now the answer is correct. The marks secured 2. Watch the number of clicks. Your limit is exceeded. That means 4 times you have clicked. If you click here the option for the any questions, it will be moved to the next screen. Suppose if you try to answer the first question by clicking option B, see what happens. The first screen is displayed. You are taken to the fifth question where you can find the same screen and the options with the graphics and the animation features. The click option shows 0. That means you have 4 choices. The 4th time you can click. Still the marks you have secured 2 is displayed here. Remember, you are not permitted to go back to the first screen until you complete the entire subject. That means the classification subject. You cannot get back to the first screen. You have to go forward. The option forward is provided here. Once you have completed all the questions in this subject, you will come back again and practice to develop your subject skills. See, this is not only for the examination purpose. Now we click the option menu. You will be taken to the home screen. If you click exit, you will be returned. See, this is for your subject skill development tool. You can practice again and again. The marks help you to know your skills level. Do not forget, this package is purely an educational content, not for commercial purpose. Since 2006, this version is available. Recently, I have updated this package and some errors have been fixed. You can use this for your subject skills development. Wish you all the best.